Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Cobo Vault. This is a hardware wallet. I talked about it a little bit before when I introduced this product right here, which is your mnemonic phrase, to put your mnemonic phrase in here. I can't show you the other side because this has my mnemonic phrase for my other hardware wallet that I use. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
Alright, so here goes the Cobo Vault. Alright, black, 4 inches, a little bit of information right there, but let's just get into unboxing it. Alright, so let's see, there's supposed to be a little tab right here on the side. Just hold it open. I think it's in here. Let's go over this box first. Alright. You get your USB cable. This is, I believe, USB-C. And this is the detachable battery. The main event. Oh, I opened it upside down. Oh man, I should get a screen protector for this. I wonder if they make screen protectors. Okay, there you go. I'll see. So it comes with a rechargeable battery and your AAA batteries, so you can have, I guess, more ways of powering on your device. I don't have AAAs right now. Oh, okay. Nice, sleek design. I want to take this off. If I can see it. Boom. It's turning on. All right. While that's turning on, let's see what we got here. You get a coupon code for 5% off your next order. I don't know what this sticker is. I'm going to find out. Obviously, I can't read this, but I could read this side. All right, power button, screen, camera, fingerprint, AAA battery case. Install the Cobo Vault mobile app on your mobile device. Scan the QR code. All right, firmware, creating pin. So we're gonna get to that right now. What do you have here? You get 3 sheets to write down your mnemonic phrase, and I'm assuming this wallet uses up to 24 keywords because it comes with 24 right there. So it comes with 3, so we're gonna write those down later. And your Cobo Vault warranty card. Paste the serial number sticker here. I believe this is it, so that goes there. So boom, that's what you get right here. This is the device. It's pretty small, 4-inch screen. I am going to see if I can buy a screen protector for this because I don't want it to get scratched. I'm probably gonna have to take it off though in order for me to scan the QR codes. You know what? YOLO. Feel sad right now. So click on QR code below, scan QR code displayed on website. Enter the code displayed on your Cobo Vault on the official website for authentication. So one of the first steps is you have to web authenticate your device. The web authenticate guarantee feature, what it does is it makes sure that your Cobo Vault wasn't tampered with before it got to you. I bought mine directly from the Cobo Vault store, so it shouldn't be tampered with, but somewhere along the lines it could have gotten tampered with on delivery. So anyways, you just go to authenticate on your Cobo Vault. You're going to go to your camera and you're going to scan the QR code. After you get the QR code, it's going to give you these letters, and you're just going to type those in right here, and it should let you know if your device is good. Boom, authenticated. Your device is secure. And then just hit done and proceed to the next steps. Hit success. Must contain at least a 10-character password, so I'm going to put my own password in here right now. Touch import vault to import an existing hardware wallet. I don't want to import anything. I'll just going to use this as its own wallet. Start a fresh wallet. The recovery phrase is the only way to retrieve your assets. Please record your recovery phrase carefully and store into a safe location. Do not take photos of the recovery phrase. Visit for the Cobo tablet. There you go. That's what it's called, the Cobo tablet. All right. So create a vault with a single backup. All right. So right here, it's telling me to be aware of my surroundings, and it's going to give me my 24 words. I'm going to write these down. Obviously, I'm going to blur everything out so you won't see. And we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so once you create your wallet, or your vault in this case, I guess, just hit confirm right here. Add cryptocurrencies. I am a Bitcoin maximalist, so I only want Bitcoin. So let's hit add. How to bind Cobo Vault app. Open Cobo Vault mobile and add new wallet. Okay, so let me put this down. I am going to get my phone and download the app. Alright, so hopefully you could see this on the video. So I downloaded the app already. I'm going to hit bind assist and touch bind button to display QR code. Bind. Display QR code. Bind successful. So I guess it's done. Let's go over it. Let's go done. Setup is now complete. Done. Boom. I guess I'm done. Alright, so we're going to finish setting this up. I only wanted a Bitcoin wallet in here, so that's fine. I'm going to transfer some Bitcoin in here from my CashAPP, and we're going to see how it goes. But before we do that, let's finish setting everything up. Alright, we're going to set up the fingerprint setting. I'm going to put my password. Alright, place your finger on the fingerprint, which is right there. This is the fingerprint. It's kind of like a Siri. Just tap your finger around it. Then you get to 100. We're done. Enter passphrase vault. Sign transactions. I'm good for right now. I don't want to do anything else. Set pattern lock. I'm okay. I don't want to. It's probably like one of those ones you get on the Android where you swipe and then unlock your phone. Yeah, I guess I'm done for now. Let's go to the Cobo and let's try to send some money over here. This address is only for BTC. So we're gonna go through the Cash App instead. We're gonna try to send some money. Okay, scan the QR code. I have 100,796 sats. Switch. 100,796 sats. Hit send. They look exactly the same to me. I scanned the QR code, so I shouldn't have no issues. Confirm. It's withdrawn. Let's see how long it takes to show up. It is 10:57. Alright, so the Cobo Vault is an interesting wallet because it is a air-gapped wallet. Right now, I'm going to go through all the features of the Cobo Vault wallet. So, one thing we need to know is that the Cobo Vault is an air-gapped wallet. The actual wallet itself, I believe, is just for signing transactions and accepting any currency that you're using. So you won't get to see a balance on here. At least I don't believe so. You have to have both to use the Cobo Vault. You can send Bitcoin here without this, but in order for you to send Bitcoin from here to somewhere else, you need to sign the transaction. So I'm going to try to do that right now as soon as the confirmation is clear. Alright, so I set up a transaction to go from my Cash App to my Cobo Vault, and right now we're just waiting for that to happen. But while we're waiting for that to happen, I am on the Cobo Vault website, and let's just go over the device and what makes it so much different than other devices. For one, the device has a 4-inch screen, right? So it's a bigger device, and it's an air gap device, meaning that the device is never ever connected to the internet or even to a computer. So when you charge your Cobo Vault, when you want to charge your Cobo Vault, you need to take out the battery and charge the battery by itself. That way you don't connect to the internet, you don't connect anywhere. You don't risk having your wallet exposed to the internet. As you can see right here, when you connect it, it's just going to plug right here magnetically. There's no ports on the whole device. Alright, so here goes some of the features of the Cobo Vault. Like I said, it has a 4-inch screen, detachable battery. You can upgrade it with a micro SD firmware. It has fingerprint authentication, a self-destruct mechanism. If someone tries to open this device, it'll self-destruct, so they won't have access to your coins or anything, any of your information, because it just will kill itself. The web authentication, that's the tool we used earlier to make sure that our device is not tampered with. Got multi-signature support, dice, Shamir backup. I don't know what this is. And the dice thing is something that I've heard that there's a way of generating your seed phrase by rolling, I think it's 100 dice. I've never tried that. Interested in trying it, but anyways. Alright, so when it comes to buying your Cobo Vault, if you decide to get one, they have 3 different options. They have a Cobo Vault Essential, Vault Pro, and the Ultimate. 120, 169, 479. I got the Cobo Vault Pro. The difference here is, well, the Essential one just uses battery support. It doesn't have a rechargeable battery. I felt like I wanted a rechargeable battery, and like I said, it comes with the AAA pack anyway, so I have both now, so that's good. And then the Essential one doesn't have the self-destruct mechanism. I hardly doubt somebody's going to try to get to me and my Bitcoin and stuff, but it's an extra feature that is very important for me. The Cobo Vault Ultimate, it does have the fingerprint sensor. I don't know why it doesn't put it, but the difference with this one is it comes with this big old, like, safe, I guess you can call it. So it comes with the Cobo Vault tablet, and it comes with this big old thing right here. Let me see if it shows it. You're pretty much paying for the big old case. You put in the hardware wallet in there and the battery in there as well. I'm not sure if the tablet goes in there, but it's supposed to be like military standard, so if you try to like smash it, shouldn't open. But yeah, there's 3 different devices. And again, the thing that makes this hardware wallet unique is it's air-gapped wallet. So as soon as a transaction clears, I'll show you guys how to send Bitcoin with your Cobo Vault. Like I said, right here on the Cobo Vault, the Cobo Vault is just mainly used again to like sign the transaction, to like let your phone actually send the money or receive the money that you're transacting with. There's nothing here that gives you price or what you have in your wallet. You need to have the Cobo Vault app on your phone in order for you to see how much Bitcoin you have in your Cobo Vault. So you can see now that the money that I sent from my CashAPP account is now in the wallet of my Cobo Vault. There goes $54.81 in there. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys how to send an air gap transaction with my phone and my Cobo Vault, and I'm going to send it to my Coinbase account. I'm already right there, so let's go right here. You're going to hit send. Alright, and then over here we want to hit receive, and I am going to scan this right now and send some money there. Okay, got my address right there now. That's a lot in fees, dude. I'm not trying to pay $21 in fees just so I can try this out. I don't know why it hasn't cleared right here. Oh, duh. I haven't put the amount that I'm gonna transfer over. $7. Nah, I don't want to pay $7. I'm gonna do it at $4.28. So let me clear this up again. 09290. Alright, so you're gonna hit send, confirm transaction information. It's going from my Cobo Vault to my Coinbase. I'm getting charged $78.96. Again, I think that was like $4 or something. Hit confirm. get signature from the Cobo Vault. Scan the QR code with your Cobo Vault. So this, scan it with the Cobo Vault, unlocking it, hit the camera. Alright, so this is giving you the exact information, what you're sending and the fee and everything. So hit sign, and then I have to put in my password. Right now it shows it's signing the transaction, signing success. Scan the QR code with the Cobo Vault app to broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. So basically this is giving me permission to do so. So now I'm right here, scan the QR code on the Cobo Vault. And I'm gonna scan. Okay. Irrevocable once a transaction is in broadcast. So basically saying that you can't cancel it pretty much. So just hit confirm. Broadcasting successful. So right here you can see that the transaction has already been broadcasted to the network, but it has not been confirmed. 0 out of 2 confirmations. The confirmations come from the miners. The miners need to add my transaction to the block. But because I put such a low transaction fee, it may take longer than it may take longer than 2 blocks. But once I get the 2 blocks, then it will be confirmed. So right now we're just waiting for it to go through. But that's pretty much how you do it. You start the process with your phone. You scan the Cobo Vault to give you permission to send the money. And then once you get the permission, then it lets you send it. So that's what we did. As you can see, the transaction's already displayed right here in my Coinbase wallet. It's still saying it's pending. But when you click on it and go to view transaction, it says it is confirmed already. And another way that I know it's confirmed is because the Cobo Vault doesn't have the money in there anymore. And it's already been confirmed. Right here it says 15 minutes ago. So this transaction happened way faster than when I received the Bitcoin on here. So yeah, that's how you do it. My bad, I was making food. But anyways, if you made it to the very end, thank you, I appreciate it. Give me some likes, comments, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And until next time, let's get this money. Peace.